Bluetooth mode. Bluetooth connected.
I am telling you, everybody, you know what happened? I am telling you, everybody, that I cannot believe this shit. Fucking shit. I cannot believe this shit. My cell phone is not good enough for camera because it's broken shit. I am now.
What I'm trying to say now is, okay na, 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 check. I'm saying, Filipinos, please forgive me, but I was possessed to hate you. I don't hate anybody. I love everybody. Royal country is Laos, and royal boss country is Thailand, and lord country is Nepal. And that's all I'm gonna say about three things. Thank you, everybody. That is my decision because I'm Rich Emperor Overlord King, aka Rich Emperor King Overlord. It's the same thing, or I got two crowns. It's just that it's really not gonna be seen by my eyes, what can be seen sometimes. And I'm crowned and nobody can take it. The judges already said the game is done. No more game. Okay? And I'm the winner. It's not because the judge is, it's not because the judge is my girlfriend or whatever. The judge, she's just the portrait. But the judges are the heaven people. Anyways, and motherfucking, by the way, can I say motherfucking now? Can you see me? Of course you can. So I can sell conspiracy theories. Do you all know that the real truth about Tupac? He was shot by a guy named White Boy Marcos. Hater lover, hater lover, hater lover, hater lover. Taco is who planned the hit. Or Taco was nothing against Latinos. I'm saying Latinos hates Taco now. Taco, Sonia's, he's from San Jose, but he went to South Dakota. This is conspiracy theory, but this conspiracy reality. Taco became an alien that becomes a different face, and Taco killed Tupac. That's why Taco is hiding in South Dakota. It's a real truth or not, maybe it's a conspiracy theory. Fucking guys, why do look is like that? Why do look is so proud of himself? I'm trying to play. So you and Tupac will not be enemies, Crips and Bloods. The Crips and Tupac. So Tupac can wear blue bandana finally, just like Lil Wayne, I don't want Morgan to have the project as the project is black people. My project is black people. Oh, and Morgan's project is Latinos, Latinas. And the Asians, the project of the Asian is the project of Holy Ann. Or Holy, the Dragon Big Boss. And Mama, Lourdes was Mama the Queen Goddess. Chona Sikrus. And what I'm trying to say is, that's our project. Together with Kozako of Minneapolis before, Kozako, that's our project is Asian. And the white people, they already passed the projects, they are already perfect. Africans is black people, they are in my project, just like what some kid that the name is Christian Tyler Wallen said. I am black and white mixed. I am brown. I'm mulatto, but I became Asian. And then I die, and I die, and I die, and I became this face. It's inverted now that I'm dead. I'm alive now. This is what is 451, this is 452, this is 453, this is 454, this is 455, this is 456, this is 457, this is 458, this is 459, this is 454, this is 500. Yeah, I'm a 500% mulatto now.
Is she gonna love me now, my Morgan? Or my wife, my everything? Is she gonna be my wife now? She's my wife, Morgan Smith Cruz. What is your problem, people? Me and Lil Wayne are homies now again. What the hell is the problem? I don't hate anybody anymore. It's just that some people are turned off. If I have thing that is way big or way small or way large or way that is on three. It's a Lord thing, you know. The size is, it doesn't matter if it, you know, when I was wanting God, then I was cursed. I am this. When I was Rocco, that jungle fever guy, I am very bad. Can I just say that I'm alive again? I'm just saying that I donated in Global Peace donation charity for Cecilia Wade. It's not that much, but it's monthly. Yeah, and it's coded. It's Dragon. It's called Dragon Triadi Mong Shaiki Twix coding. Yeah, that's what they call these new codes. You just have to know the tricks and how to balance good and evil. Meaning, you have to be, you know, always good is the best. And then if you want to be evil, it has to be evil against evil. If you're evil against good, you're going to get karma. So that's how that coding works. And my coders are angels, and they are very good. And don't worry, they are not bad. The angels are about being holy. And to the evil ones, they will learn how to be good. It's the future. Future is golden for everybody, just like how I said, I give money and then I give things, and then you just be happy. Secretly, they don't know it. But some people do know, and the people that works hard, they have to work hard. And the people that are lucky, that are KSI 828 connected, they are the lucky ones that just play by betting, but not killing each other. Okay, okay, check. And that's it. And I have to go now because you know why? It's 7:49. Bye-bye. It's not 7:49, but it's 8:08. Bye-bye.